Hello and welcome to the video in which we will demonstrate how to code and use one of the Inventor's modules, the yellow one. To begin, connect the module to the Batcontroller and the Batcontroller to the PC. Turn the Batcontroller on and go to code.circuitmess.com. Create a new sketch and name it Altitude and Pressure. With this code, we'll try to get altitude and pressure written on the display of the Batcontroller. To do that, follow these steps. Firstly, find the loop forever block in the loop block section. This block ensures that the code inside it is continuously executed. The first thing we want to do is clear whatever was in display previously. To do that, we simply fill it with a solid color. Find this block in the display block section. We will fill it with black, but feel free to choose any color you want. You can change colors by simply clicking on black. Next, we need a block for writing text. In the first part, you'll put what you want to be shown on the screen. The X and Y coordinates determine the text position, while the color defines the text color. Go to the text block section, select this block, and drag it below this part. This block will let us combine multiple text blocks into one big text that we can print onto the display. Below that, look for the Get Altitude block from the Modules block section. Lastly, take another text block and write M in it. Basically, once you run the code, the screen will display the altitude value in meters. The coordinates are set to x5 and y30 with the color white. You can experiment with the coordinates and text colors. Following this large display block, we'll add another similar block that will display the pressure value. You can copy everything we did for the last block, but a few changes are necessary. Firstly, change the altitude to the pressure and meters to hectopascals. Also, instead of the Get Altitude block, choose this block labeled Get Atmospheric Pressure from the Modules block section. For this part, we set the coordinates as x5 and y80 with the text color white. Below this, add the Push Frame block from the Display block section. This block is necessary when coding anything on your screen. Lastly, add the Sleep block and set the time to 1 second. The Sleep block will make our program wait for a specific duration of time until executing the code from the Loop Forever block again. Click on the Run button and check the screen.